Hey guys, here's the new Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, a sedan that doesn't just evolve, but redefines the pinnacle of automotive luxury. More than a car, it's a sensory experience, a rolling work of art. Trophy, a prestigious heritage. For 140 years, Mercedes-Benz has embodied innovation and excellence. For over 105 years, Maybach has elevated this heritage by creating icons of refinement. The new S-Class is the ultimate expression of this tradition, a haven of serenity, technology, and prestige. Artist palette exterior design. New Maybach grille, 20% larger, with an illuminated surround, it exudes authority and distinction. Illuminated elements, Maybach emblem on the C-pillar, Mercedes star on the hood, and even the word Maybach subtly illuminated within the grille. Double-star headlights, adorned with rose gold accents, like refined jewels integrated into the car's gaze. Exclusive forged wheels, available in silver, gold, or polished finishes, featuring the floating Mercedes star that remains perfectly upright thanks to an ingenious mechanism. Rear signature, sculpted taillights echoing the star motif, two-tone chrome and gloss black strip, for a sleek and modern finish. Night Series, a darker, more dramatic interpretation, with obsidian black, Mojave silver, or Nautic blue metallic hues, combined with dark chrome accents. Glowing star opinion and perception. This exterior design is a statement of status. It doesn't seek ostentation, but projects a calm and refined authority. Every detail, from the illuminated projection of the word Maybach on the ground to the automatic opening of the rear doors, transforms each arrival into a prestigious ritual. Sparkles projection and image. Imagine this S-Class parked in front of a luxury hotel, illuminated by its golden accents, or gliding silently down a nighttime avenue in its nautical blue metallic gleam. It embodies a timeless presence, a blend of tradition and modernity that transforms every journey into a ceremony. The new Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, an exterior sculpted for grandeur, designed to seduce and command respect with elegance. Inside the new Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, you enter a world where luxury becomes a complete sensory experience. Every detail is designed to envelop passengers in a cocoon of serenity and prestige. Couch and lamp hash interior design and comfort. A lounge-like ambience with the MBUX Superscreen, a glass panel that unites the central and passenger displays, enhanced by a distinctive Maybach design. New open-pore fine woods, oak, amber brown in a herringbone pattern, are combined with rich materials and couture finishes. Premium leather upholstery and seats are available, as well as a leather-free option with high-end Mirville fabric for a modern and sustainable approach to luxury. Executive rear seats with electric adjustments, ventilation, heating, and footrests transform every journey into a moment of relaxation. Rainbow ambient lighting and atmosphere. Active ambient lighting with 199 LEDs and 64 colors, including the exclusive rose gold white and amethyst glow. The lighting reacts to voice commands, climate settings, and driver assistant signals, creating an intuitive and immersive interaction. New interior colors, such as the haute couture-inspired beach brown, add a touch of elegance. Unique visual richness. Bottle with popping cork exclusive features. Integrated refrigerated compartment behind the rear armrest, capable of holding several bottles. Rob and Burking silver flutes, held in custom-made holders, to celebrate every moment with elegance. Redesigned center console with integrated charger and sculpted finishes. Mobile phone infotainment and technology. Two 13.1-inch rear screens with configurable remote controls, allowing you to manage climate control, blinds, and entertainment. 14-speaker JBL audio system for exceptional sound immersion. Integrated cameras for video calls, transforming the cabin into a space for productivity and comfort. MBUX virtual assistant, powered by AI and represented by the Mercedes star in a rose gold finish, capable of complex and personalized dialogues. Glowing star opinion and projection. This interior is a perfect fusion of craftsmanship and technology. We imagine passengers traveling in absolute silence, soothed by a soft lighting, crystal clear sound, and exquisite materials. The Maybach S-Class is not just a car, it's a rolling sanctuary, designed for the elite who seek comfort, exclusivity, and innovation. The new Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, an interior that redefines modern luxury, where every journey becomes an unforgettable experience. Money bag price and exclusivity. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is a bespoke creation thanks to the manufacture-made-to-measure program, more than 150 exterior paints, 400 interior colors, and endless combinations of materials and finishes. Each model is a unique piece, crafted at the Sindelfingen Center of Excellence. Glowing star reviews and projections. Experts praise a sedan that embodies modern luxury, a fusion of tradition, technology, and exclusivity. This S-Class is envisioned as a rolling sanctuary, a prestigious space that accompanies its owners in absolute comfort, while discreetly asserting their status. The new Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, more than a sedan, a legend reinvented to embody the future of luxury. Dear mole cars enthusiasts, here it is, the new Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is not simply a sedan, it's a statement. A rolling work of art that embodies 140 years of Mercedes-Benz innovation and more than a century of Maybach exclusivity. With its sculpted exterior design, refined lighting details, a lounge-like interior steeped in technology and premium materials, and powerful yet serene electrified powertrains, it redefines modern luxury. Every journey becomes an experience of absolute tranquility, prestige, and controlled power. The Maybach S-Class is not just a car for getting around, it is a rolling sanctuary, designed for those who demand the very best of tradition and innovation. It embodies a vision, a future where luxury is emotion, technology, and bespoke exclusivity. The new Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, more than a car, a legend reinvented to reign supreme in the world of luxury.